Today, I'm going to show you how to install Live Server in Visual Studio Code. So, let's dive right in. First things first, fire up Visual Studio Code. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You see that square icon? Click on it. Now, in the search bar, type Live Server. You'll see a list of options pop up. Make sure to select the one with the most downloads, usually indicated by the number next to it. As of shooting this video, it's got around almost 50 million downloads. Here's the magic button, Install. Since I've already got it installed, mine says installed. But for you, just click on that button, and the extension will automatically install itself. Now comes the fun part. Let's say I've got this index.html file here. I'll open it up. Then right-click on the text and then click in Open in Browser. Click on it. And boom! Your live server is now up and running. It's that simple. You'll see your page automatically open up in your default browser. It's a real game changer for web developers, trust me. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.